Geolar is the first commercially viable process for achieving net zero carbon footprint for household operations. Net zero carbon footprint is achieved when 100% of the CO2 produced by household operations is either eliminated or offset by other clean energy sources. This has been a goal of the environmentalists for years because of the tremendous reduction in greenhouse gases it can achieve. According to the EPA, the average U.S. home produces about 12.4 tons of CO2 on an annual basis. Eliminating this CO2 is the greatest single thing a person can do to reduce emissions. Adding insulation or replacing windows can save up to 20% annually. Doing either would reduce the carbon footprint by about 1.3 tons annually. Compare that to Geolar, which can offset the entire 12.4 tons of CO2 emissions. That is almost 10 times more than either insulation or windows. That's 124 tons over a 10-year period. Geolar presents the single greatest contribution a homeowner can make to the reduction of carbon emissions in the battle against global climate change. Achieving net zero could only be done in special circumstances and at great cost, but all of that has changed. The first step in achieving net zero is to eliminate the burning of fossil fuels. Geothermal uses the energy of the sun that's stored in the ground to eliminate the burning of fossil fuel. Geothermal is a proven technology that's been in use since the 1940s. 70% of the homes in Sweden and Switzerland, countries with similar climates to Minnesota, run on geothermal. According to the EPA, geothermal is the most cost-effective, efficient, and environmentally friendly system for heating and cooling. Although geothermal can eliminate the burning of fossil fuels at the home site, it cannot achieve net zero carbon footprint on its own, because it runs on electricity, and electricity is largely generated by coal and gas-fired power plants. Therefore, much of the carbon reduction achieved by geothermal is offset by the burning of fossil fuels to produce the electricity to run the geothermal system. That's where solar comes in. Solar technology has advanced to the point where costs have come down substantially and productivity has increased dramatically. That makes solar more efficient and more affordable than ever before. Advances in solar panel technology has made it possible to achieve net zero electrical usage in residential homes. That means solar can offset 100% or more of the electrical requirements for household operations. But solar cannot achieve net zero carbon footprint while it's still using fossil fuels for heating and cooling. And trying to heat, cool, and generate hot water with electricity would quadruple the size and the cost of a solar system. But look what happens when you put the two technologies together. Geothermal eliminates the burning of fossil fuels at the home site. Solar provides clean, renewable electricity for all of the home's electrical needs, including its geothermal system. Put them together and you have Geolar. No fossil fuels plus clean, renewable solar equals net zero carbon footprint. Up until now, net zero carbon footprint could only be achieved in special circumstances and with complex and costly systems. But with Geolar, it's now easily achieved, and this is not something of the future. It's being installed in homes throughout Minnesota right now. Up until now, doing the right thing for the environment required sacrifice and costs that would never be recuperated. With Geolar, your investment is totally paid back in a short period of time, and you are richly rewarded with increased comfort, increased housing value, and dramatic savings that can best be described as profits. You can do good and have good things happen to you. So there you have it. Using the earth and sun, Geolar provides a commercially viable system that can easily achieve net zero carbon footprint for household operations. With Geolar, you can make a major contribution to saving the environment while profiting from an unmatched investment opportunity. You can do good and have good things happen to you. Visit our website for more information on geothermal, solar, and Geolar. You can call or visit our website to set up a free, no-obligation estimate for installing Geolar in your home.